major in mass communication,
Aw.
journalism.
Ano yung pinakamataas na award?
Magna.
Magna? Teka lang ah. Nandito yung pangalan ko eh.
Maganda.
Saan ba yun? Ano sinasabi mo dyan?
The silver medal for leadership in co-curricular and extracurricular
Asan ba yung Magna?
is awarded to the following.
Nasa harap ko.
Ragna. Ano?
Charis Amor C. Ronato,
Teka lang,
Bachelor
saan ba yun?
of Science in Business
Pangalan ko yata
Administration,
nandun.
major in Management.
Yun. Yan. Saan yan ah? Magna cum laude.
Cheryl C. De Leon, Bachelor of Arts, major in Mass Communication, Broadcast.
Magna cum laude. Kita niyo ang pangalan na yan?
Ivan Rudolph
Yan.
Orlongan, Bachelor of Science in Business
Magna cum
Administration,
laude yan.
major in Management.
Hindi ako yan.